love how you Autobots die.
Your death will be slow.
Bumblebee?
This is insane.
Oh my god.
This is not good. We're done.
This is all that stands between me and the Allspark? Bumblebee! Give me what is mine! Give me the Allspark!
Sam, run! Don't let him get the Allspark!
Time. This ends here.
I hate this part!
For now, the Decepticons are defeated, and though it came at a heavy cost, fate has yielded an unexpected reward. A new world to call home. We live among its people now, hiding in plain sight, protecting them. For freedom is the right of all sentient beings.